In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell stocks on Webull Desktop. So you actually have a few different options you can take, and I'm going to show you all of them. So the first one is you could go to the custom tab over here on the left, and then you could open up a layout, which basically is just like a blank layout, and you can then set this up for stocks. So you can put on charts, you can put on different trading windows, order entries, etc. So that's up to you. Or if you want to pursue paper trading, you could go to paper trading here as well, and then here you will have a blank layout you can create again, or you could do stock trading, which will allow you to do some stock trading with paper money. So demo paper trading over here, that's the second option. Or you could go ahead and just select up here where it's going to say stocks. So up top, just below your watch list, it says stocks. Click on that, it's going to open up the stock trader, and then here you can already see your watch list. You can go ahead and select whatever stock you want to trade. You can add symbols, whatever you want to do here, and then here on the right you will have all the different options. You'll have the buys and sells. Currently I'm not logged into my account, so of course the time and sells in the order books are not showing, but for you they will whenever you have your account logged in. And then here you can just click on either buy or sell, select the order type you want to use, limit, market, or stop, and then over here you can also of course select the quantity. You can select the limit price in case you are doing a limit order. Then you can also select the time in day, and then you'll be able to either buy or sell, and then your orders will show down here at the bottom below your chart. So that's how to buy and sell stocks. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.